Hi, I'm Magister Sofia. We from Group 13 are going to present about full moon Sdn Bhd. The purpose we study this assignment is so that we can apply calculations in our cloth business to solve problems the company face while running business. Besides that, students can also solve problems based on mathematical calculation to some common problems in the cloth business.
My name is Tamamul Kamar bin Muhammad Fisol. Metric number is Aft1103. I'm from Group 13. Question 1. Name of the company is Full Moon Sdn Bhd. Address Pondok Kepala Bukit, Bukit Pinang 06200, Kepala Batas, Al-Setar, Kedah. Owner Tamamul Kamar bin Muhammad Fisol. Date of establishment is 5 March 2022. Type of business is sole proprietorship. Number of employees for the company is Tamamul Kamar bin Muhammad Fisol, Chief Executive Officer; Raja Zari Sofia binti Raja Anwar, Manager Department; Aqilah binti Muhammad Rizwan, Operation Department; Nurin binti Malik, Sale Department; Farhana binti Termizi, Shift Department; Namilah binti Najib, Marketing Department; Ayuni binti Razif, Accounting Department; Aiman bin Mahathir, Production Department; Amir bin Malik, Warehouse Department; Kamil bin Rahman, Delivery Supervisor; Bilal bin Ayub, Human Resource Department. Payroll Report. Calculation. Regular pay by Raja Zari Sofia binti Raja Anwar. Hourly rate multiply regular hours is RM 648. Overtime by Aqilah binti Rizwan is overtime rate multiply overtime hour worked is RM 187.50. Commission rate by Aqilah binti Rizwan. Total sale multiply commission rate is RM 600. Piecework earning by Raja Zari Sofia binti Raja Anwar. Produce multiply piece rate is RM 500. Gross pay by Raja Zari Sofia binti Raja Anwar. Regular pay multiply commission is RM 648. Total is RM 7,870.
Hi, my name is Nur Akila binti Muhammad Rizwan. My metric number is A20A2211. Today I will present question 2. For 2A, table 1 below show the amount that Full Moon Sdn Bhd need to start up the business. The amount of our own is 50,000 ringgit. And for the loan from relative is 24,000 ringgit with the interest rate of 3.5% and time period has 20 months. To find the interest amount, we use a formula I equal to PRT, which is P is 24,000, R is 0.035, and T is 20 months. And we get the interest amount is 1,400 ringgit. Next, we use a formula S equal to P1 plus RT, and we get the future value is 25,400 ringgit. And for the loan from Bank ABC with an amount of 50,000 ringgit with the interest rate of 5.5% compounded semi-annually, time period has 6 years, and we use formula S equal to P1 plus I power of N. To find the future value for Bank ABC, P is 50,000 ringgit, I is 0.0275, and N is 12, and we get a future value is 69,239 ringgit 19 cents. Next, we use future value minus present amount, and we get the interest amount from Bank ABC is 19,239 ringgit 19 cents. Next is a promissory note of loan from relative based on table 1. So this is our promissory note. which is 24 months after the date I promised to pay the loan from relative Ahmad Nazri in Ringgit Malaysia, 24,000 only for a value received with interest at the rate of 3.5% per annum until paid. Next, I will present about the cost of machinery that using in Full Moon Sdn Bhd. The cost of each machinery based on the real market. These machinery are the main equipment to produce clothes. The table show the amount and salvage value of each machinery. Every asset has different salvage value and some of the assets have higher salvage value. For example, the amount of printing machine is 23,000 ringgit. After 6 years, the salvage value of printing machine is 950 ringgit. Next is question 3b. For this question, we choose embroidery machine, which is cost is 10,500 ringgit. Salvage value is 500 and useful life is 6 years. And at the end of year 6, we get 500 as a salvage value. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nurin Awanis binti Muhammad Zulkifli and my metric number is A20A1827. I will present question 3C1 and question 3C2. For question number 3C1 is that our company received a machinery cost invoice date 1st August 2021 from supplier A with the term 5 per 10, 2 per 15 and N per 30. If the invoice is paid on 9 August 2021, which is 8 days after the invoice date during the discount period, the buyer is eligible for a cash discount of 5%. The method of calculating the cash discount is the total invoice multiplied by the percentage discount, which is Rm 10,500 multiplied by 0.05. And the discount result is Rm 525. To find out the payment to be made 9 August 2021, the invoice amount minus the cash discount, a total of Rm 10,500 minus Rm 525, and supplier A has to receive a payment of Rm 9,975. Question number 3C2 is the payment was made on 13 August 2021. As the invoice was paid 12 days after the invoice date during the discount period, the buyer is entitled to a cash discount of 2%. The method of calculating the discount is the total invoice with the discount percentage Rm 10,500 multiplied by 0.02 and the discount result of Rm 210. To find out the payment to be made on 13 August 2021, the invoice amount minus the cash discount, Rm 10,500 minus Rm 210, and supplier A was to receive Rm 10,290.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabila binti Zulkifli, matrix number A20A2193. Today I want to present question number 4 based on the bank loan that Full Moon Sdn Bhd has identified in table 1 at 6% compounded monthly into be amortized by 12 months. So the present value of the annually at the end and interest period is 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. The formula of interest rate is nominal interest rate divided by frequency of conversions. So the interest rate is 0.005. We also have frequency of conversion is M. We got 12. Our type of term is T equivalence and number of interest period is regarded 12 months. All the information that we need to put in the formula for calculated monthly payment. So the formula is A equal to P bracket I divided by 1 minus bracket 1 plus I minus N. So we need to put in P is 50,000 ringgit Malaysia bracket 1 plus 0.005 divided by 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.005 bracket negative 12. So the monthly payment are 4,303 ringgit 32 cents. Next, for B, construct the amortization schedule. To get the ending balance, we use beginning balance minus principal paid. So the calculation is 50,000 minus 453 ringgit 32 cents. So the answer is 45,946 ringgit 68 cents. Next is total paid. We use monthly payment times period. So the calculation is 4,303 ringgit 32 cents times 1. So the answer also same with the monthly payment, which is 4,303 ringgit 32 cents. For the interest paid, we use beginning balance times interest rate divided by T. So the calculation is 50,000 times 5% divided by 12. So the answer is 250 ringgit Malaysian. After that, principal paid. For the principal paid, we use monthly payment minus interest paid. So the calculation is 4,303 ringgit 32 cents minus 250 ringgit Malaysia. So the answer is 4,053 ringgit 32 cents. To calculate the principal paid for period 2, we use total principal paid period 1 plus principal paid on period 2. So the calculation is 4,053 ringgit 32 cents plus 4,073 ringgit 59 cents. So the answer is 8,126 ringgit 91 cents. The last is total interest paid for period 2. We use total interest paid period 1 plus interest paid period 2. So the calculation is 250 ringgit plus 229 ringgit 73 cents. So the answer is 4,479 ringgit 73 cents.
In conclusion, business mathematics is very important in managing a business. It also can ensure full Moon Sdn Bhd to run smoothly. The benefits in mathematical business is business can make an expensive plan in terms of salary payment, purchase of current assets, and so on. Full Moon Sdn Bhd use the knowledge in business mathematics to succeed in business and have well performance after the business start. Thank you for watching.